We'll be talking about testing for carbonates. We'll see a small experiment in which we'll put a carbonate with nitric acid to get carbon dioxide and water. And we'll see another experiment in which we'll make sure that the gas produced is carbon dioxide. This ensures that we are using a carbonate. So let us start. Testing for carbonates. If you add a dilute acid to a solid carbonate, carbon dioxide is produced. So if we add dilute acid to any solid carbonate we have, we will obtain a carbon dioxide gas. But we cannot use any type of dilute acid with any type of solid carbonate. Why? Well, because some types of acids and carbonates, when they react together, they will give insoluble salt. Hence, the reaction stops. That's why the best type used is the dilute nitric acid with zinc carbonate. A reaction will occur between them to produce carbon dioxide gas. If we want to make sure that the gas produced is carbon dioxide, what should we do? We talked before about a test for carbon dioxide, which is using lime water. So on the other side, we put lime water in a small test tube, as you can see here. When the reaction initiates between zinc carbonate and dilute nitric acid, we will obtain a gas that will reach this small test tube. If lime water turns milky, then this gas is carbon dioxide gas. The ionic equation is carbonate plus H+, which is the acid, reacts to give carbon dioxide plus water. I want the carbon dioxide gas we obtained from the reaction between carbonate and the acids. The full equation is the reaction between zinc carbonate and dilute nitric acid. So zinc carbonate plus dilute nitric acid reacts to give zinc nitrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So this is the full equation. It is very important to study both the ionic and the full equations.